The 2WD Robotics Chassis is an educational learning kit for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to get hands-on experience with robotics and can extend electronic systems like Raspberry Pi and Arduino. It includes very useful components like motors, a chassis, wheels, and a battery holder. The kit is easy to disassemble. The main body of the chassis is made of a laser-cut acrylic sheet and can hold two gear motors on either side and a supporting universal caster wheel. This two-wheel robot car has placeholders for different sensors, servos, and modules, and it comes with a user manual and assembly video. The kit can be used to build a robot for distance sensing, obstacle avoidance, line following, flame detector, speed testing, wireless remote-controlled car, and any other creative work. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.